Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will discuss about dimension reduction. So let's see what is dimension reduction. Dimension reduction is the process of reducing the number of input variables, features in the dataset while retaining as much as information as possible. It simplifies models, reduces computational complexity and helps mitigate issues like multicollinearity. Types of dimension reduction includes feature selection and feature extraction. Feature selection is identifying and retaining only the most relevant features. Example, based on correlation, variance or statistical test. Number second is feature extraction. Create new feature by transforming or combining existing ones. For example, principal component analysis PCA. Identifying the multicollinearity. Multicollinearity occurs when two or more predictor variables are highly correlated, making it difficult to determine their individual effects on the dependent variable. It can be identified using correlation matrix, pairwise correlation values between variables, variance inflation factor VIF. It quantifies how much a variable variance is inflated due to multicollinearity. Principal component analysis PCA. Principal component analysis is a technique for feature extraction that transform the correlated features into small set of uncorrelated components, principal components. The new components capture the maximum variance in the data. The steps in PCA are standardizing the data, compute the covariance matrix, perform the eigen composition to find eigenvalues and eigenvectors, select the top components based on explained variance, transform the data into new reduced space. These are the tasks which will perform in the Google Colab. So the first one is to identify the multicollinearity and the second one is to apply the principal component analysis using Python. So now let's move to the Google Colab for the further explanation of the topic. So we came on the Google Colab. Here first we are identifying the multicollinearity. Here we have imported the libraries, pandas library SPD, numpy libraries, numpy library as np, from stats.model stats.outliers underscore influence we have imported variance inflation factor, and from stats model dot tools we have imported add constant. First we have loaded the dataset, then we have dropped some unnecessary column here, and then we have calculated the VIF on the independent variables, that is variance inflation factor. Here let's run this command. So the feature and the VIF comes here, as you can see in this output. Feature and VIF are shown here. The next step is principal component analysis. We are doing here principal component analysis. We have imported these libraries. From sklearn.decomposition we have imported PCA. From sklearn.preprocessing we have imported standard scalar. From pandas we have imported pandas SPD and imported matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. First we are loading the dataset. We have loaded here the iris dataset and we have converted into the data frame. Now we are standardizing the data. Scalar is equal to standard scalar is used to standardize the data. Then x scaled is equal to scalar dot fit transform x. We have done this transformation and now we are performing the PCA. Here with the PCA function we are performing this PCA, and on x we have done the fit transform we have done, and now we have explained this variance in here. So as you can see, now we have plotted the explained variance. Now let's just run this command and see what's the output. So the plot has come here. We have explained variance by each component. We have explained the variance by these component. As you can see on the output here, PCA explained variance is there on the proportion of variance explained and the principal component. Here a line plot has come here, as you can see on the output. So that's it for this video. Let's meet in the another one. Till then, keep learning and exploring.